TV. Badwam dwumadie ye eson sama asie na braso sa wotibie ye dani te kotegwa aseni nkwanshan sama anopa so na daroma ode abrayen samno ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini eye for transit TV akomuni anase akobu electricity for wonomo epo no bi ene traffic light wo brekum ye de honsam no enchiremu ebebrew adehye ya wonomo ewa chimodan so echiremu asabi won wa adwunu mo ka won no dross okro no mu dodo nti Womo akra ebambo mu no etoape eno ene nsem na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase ko Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV eye 280 medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne die mutie se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Ford ashenya ne number ye AS 2690-18 enene traffic light no ewo brekum ebo nipa ne japade ho ban no akọ buno atwene baabi kura emu nsam ne de baye Adom kase edeba
papa no fikato station one na oba no oduru one traffic light na so nti esen kodwa no wanyina tinka odi ye betwa ba sime rodu na odi nanya kire kato nti otwa na sia no etie ne pass no odi beko kiduwa no odi wa kitwa ne beko kese ni kan ni tambutu ye tie du ase ebe yi papa no mo pia afrika no na ya so ka ni epiasi wo epiakosi poli fam na ni mo o da bi na bia antika no no nkwa ni tika no
kwa na ka no na dare na anchana no se fire for so dika ti fire for no ne kwa ya ma ni biga ka na si nche but me ba ne meti ya ne se ba mo se na driver ni se o feel breaking say dey driver ni no kwa na hoti no operation we see now on one kasabe now prepare
enwachi ashenkafo ne wonu metatwa kwan ne mu enso so de twadum kase ne me how bia wo mo ebefeme nam sa traffic pole ya ebu 20
e ba sa no kura no ase wo e ma se we na kwa na se we na ko ye mistake ya wo de be ko ti e rese mpan fo no be no mo ye na ma ye yes e be ko so si de
oh you say the air ne say ba ye hwe cars say if you any move ba no more bad you say you see agina nche move for so kwa you say you see agina ti you so wo mienu agina dia na chese ye ko esa so wa tinye anya hwe sa e betimi de kwa hia ba ebi wa ba gbe so mu gina so no mutu wa hwe ya mutu be hia ba na yi
Achimodan dehye ya won mote ho wo Brim Central mensinimu wo poyamantemu senei abodamfo no ados wo kro no mu dodo ne namonten sa na ama wo mu akra no wo mu suro wo mu ho fi se ebi mo ho no ma no mo ani ate wo betimi aye bibia in the name of former abodam enti ebi ni Adom TV kase edi nkomoyi
omo ha ya dwen pa ebu ya no kankan no dia begira ka no na o ha ni tabin o pamo no kra o pamo
kemo mo ye adwuma homachi no etera bi o mo sa homachi no mo ba mbo hwan se ka kesi bi abegina kwa no ma yomu nwa agu ho no ma tuka na ye den adwom hoko
Krontin hini owo Achim Kotoku traditional area enso ene Adom News nsentwofo atwetwe nkomo no odi tudwa se eyade a emomo edimpone ewo mpatemu
odani bi se bi na se okosa atibie ne ma ebi hu se ofifie we wadi hu bibi asa enso ade ba chi bia no akyekura na wotwe mienu no wosumi na be se bodan fofofo mienu miensa no mo sa ne na brem ade a ya trase hu se emwaye na ebu kureni no man so animase
Municipal Chief Executive for Brim Central Victoria Edu enso editudwa se sa bodamfo yi enfri Achimodan na womo eye nipa bi mu a womo ewo gidie se omanfo bi mu ene beja omuguo
enye odan ena sa nkrofo no omufi wo be ho no na chese anadwuna omode sa nkrofo no eba wo wuni pa konso do mo bebu a tade ba chiru be hu anu ahia we nu ahia kofo we de ni wo mo antikro wo mu sesa bi okro bi ano sa nkrofo ni bi wo na so Achimodan na kanti sei
Ghana Police Service any Data Protection Commission aye adwumaso akire managers bia wo mo da nwumako bi ano na mamra ya ebo customers and staff and some eho ban no wo mo ajeje mu executive director da commission no ye Patricia Dusi Poku Ono na echechere nsem ahodo mu de kira Adom TV Kase.
Obia collect information. Obu obeka say me personal data. Only personal data pa who was staff. Staff is the same right as for customers. And who was staff back mienu na say what more details. E wo HR. E was say data protection because almost so omo ye Ghanaians omo expect say we be share wo details so ye. Data Protection Commission ye dwuma ba ko a abind the yesi ho say ye nyina mo anam ye nyina ye doso. Ye nyina ye ntimi mmom enko obi a ho check ye ho nsem a omo afati ye na ye gina Ghana fo anam. Yes, Juma send you obi a wofi oda obeda say dear hospital be a collective, school be a collective, Jumeko be a Belgiumeko private sector, Jumeko be a collective here who a provided service no or yanomra kwanso.
Enwechi, head of regulatory and compliance, Quentin Acrobato, and so Katika ho say, and amoyo 2 ye, omodi kan, ekoyi attorney general so ye asutri, no mo hwene mo say, impanyefo betumi atoto nyema ye, na wode wo mo akwasem dibia.
So what they are doing as a microfinance company, they are actually naming and shaming their clients who have not actually fulfilled their loan obligations to them. That is what they have done. And what they do is to harass their customers, go to their homes, churches, to let the world know that they are owing them, which is against their privacy, their data subject privacy.
TV Badwam kase na aguso ehwe asuafo bi a wo mo Kumasi Technical University twedare wo mpanifo so ni nyina ne se mpanifo se wo mo dife wo mo program ahodo no bi fi se wo mo unregister antwe won so hwe emunsam Adom TV edeba.
After paying the fees, they said we should go and pay the penalty, which was 100 Ghana cedis. We went and paid the penalty, and then they said we should go to the IT and register. We went to the IT, they said they've closed registration, we can't register again. So we came to the registrar and he was telling us there's nothing they can do about it.
Some of us are in our final year and some have already deferred their course, sit in the house for 1 year and came back. This is their final year for them to complete. Here's the case that they have to defer and go and stay in the house and come back again. It's very painful.
Acting University Relations Officer Emma Sukunu, Joshua appear and Suni Adom News in Central 4 H. Komono. What did you just say?
The university was so compassionate, even left the registration open till the 7th of August. So after the 7th of August, they closed the portal that all non-registered students could not write the exams. Now, per the student handbook, they are supposed to withdraw from the system. But the academic board decided that now the economy is hard. So instead of them losing their money, let them defer, then come and continue with their money intact the next academic year.
Abeto Jase Suku Fui bi Ayawana Juni say, Omobe Jai Sukui.
Well, maybe I will either stop the school and then focus on something else.
Ghana National Association of Teachers, NAT, any abredin fresh yebeye National Stakeholder Dialogue. Na wamo aye shishemwa for senior high school, free senior high school, no any one share and name baby a Ghana bobre war wo yesika semono. And who here sa was some penny fortunate na free SHS and one more bo already a becro. Kojomen sa brown party church name man NAT or Thomas Musa and Edim Komoy.
Yes, it is estimated that the free SHS will cost not less than 3.6 billion. And on infrastructure and count. And the man for Ibisane say, how do we sustain the free SHS? In fact, the bottom near can say, how do we sustain? We can sustainability of the policy because baby ye dream ye komu ye bu entino ye hwese ekwan ben ene be faso ye betumi sustaining program no me no can say capitation grant. It was in arrears for almost about 2.5 years. After no matter 2 and you want about 5 more terms to go. When will government pay this one? Basic schools in a year cano. Into any many here, government in TNCS, we are committed in helping to actually sanitize the environment. Yeah, mine. ye mine enti no your contribution say one guy won't be to me out a buano you will PTA ho you were old boys you were religious boys the figures in it was our document in one in 2018 2019 no about 630,000 I guess so move school no maybe between the ages of 15 to 17 years I guess some more SHS no they were out of school. In 2019-2020 no the number went to approximately 728,328, approximately 730,000. And guess some more SHS, they were also not in school.
And cry Montami Moswa for her recording. Nanka was a wording speech be a to a dra. Then so speech when young kind craft, he said, well, modern bo a MMDCs, you know, Yamianimini and sending to Huni or Babeca, a Jumano, 1 1 yet said there was a war yet. Into Huna and Fuphobia, and there was a Babeca, Bessan, just say, and she sent a Maraya, I was a MMDCs, 1 year Juma, or Mensina Hudum, a year Juma, dear Corso, Adom TV, Casse, et was so.
Nyina ya adwene aye se homowo ana fashion I wo Greater Accra no efi nereko no ye mpese obia ebedi saafe no a ode party colors beka ho afashion nye NDC afashion nye MPP afashion nye CPP afashion so uko abuachire a enye MPP enye NDC see start near ma yen tourism attractions no devoid of politics.
Enwechi osan ka de to aso se enianimu yi a wonfa ensamtwafo nkrata emetudwa echre se wo mo abra pragia edwumadie ewo enkramantamu emiam ya wodo ebi
some selected areas because baby wa ho ya no mu hia some places no pragia no bebo mo ho nemum selected areas ewo CBD no de we want to restrict their movement completely. Into their no statement in Beba Sisia no mahu.
So far was share and crying. Dear all can de afa speech na one reading no ye de bebra wo yen kase ahodo mo de o kan ye say what is not to say ye festival bi ana party bi e na senso de ne nam ho no enya de se so no ho ensem mayen to kase no eso ade hye wo kui power ene enkura ahodo bi a ebomu e won kwanta south mensini mu wo timantam ni mu se enei wonu munyina ka won ho abomu fi se wo matwen aban na anya de se aban no ye wo mo ehawo no e de ama wo makwan nye e na bere bia de achi bia no ne saye no ekoso nti wo mankasa ayekwasa fuduma asesa bo e de afele kwan na Adom TV kase etoso yi
era abayere no gu ho aburo gu ho neme bebre gari no munyina na efiri kwe ye ni lore kwan ye kwan na se ka tu e wo kwe a ye bedi akire sa na ye pen aka no sa
ye wo gari ye wo bayre ye wo nkati ye wo bro edu sam me ya entimi nko Accra entimi nko Nkwanta entimi nko Kumase bra ne ye bresa ye tu abatu abanso bia emfi ye
e ba se umuntu ba membia amaye ye bata man so wan yan so we ba wan yan se be yan husan yan so yan ka ho ana se ye ka na ho masisi kwan ni mai
driver for ye bra papa na wo hye Nkwanta district ya baby aduani free corner ye koi so na mfo no omumbo
Enwechi Rashibedwani a wasam peswane so Jofikini ya kwasafojuma oyi na sutere enso bon homoden the tracks ahodro ekokwantempo ne so edekobua kromafui no fa konya ne so de abaso soronko ematimamufo ne se onyina tumi aka won haboma o sesi omo kwantempo no
aban akwakwa eti se ka dada eri chi anopo we pia egiso Nkwanta South yankasa ya jatu ye hu sese aban ya yankasa ye de ya hon de beye ende uwie ni ekoso wo impotem ha yankasa ye de asafoduma na ejuma ende brere a ye di grade ani machines ejuma Nkwanta South de ye de manpower ɛna yɛbubu ɛboɔ yɛde manpower ɛna esiesie kwan deɛ nti aban ayi ama deɛ nti aban yi n'ani afa yɛ so.
Kane Penia na order monitoring unit wɔ Forestry Commission Charles Owusu abapro dan no ho adidi akyerɛ adehye sɛ obegira kwantakoro samra shebedwani wɔ Nkransan North abato mpesua no so wɔ 2024 election edi animu ne Adom kase edi nkomai
aprobo ya menu na ma ye boy anisodi hu amanya sɛ me pese me besom Nkransan North na semetimi aso mo ma yi a asase bia wura na kuro bia so wura ntimi si mountain so ona nam ne mrantie ne mabawa ene kroman edi nkomo abra asase wurafo no sabe endim de meye e basa na kese aya niam ho sem kakra ti me na ma me bo aprobo se be ya me di mo be kire nanom na onyame ya adom na mbre ne duru so a yen so ya ba begina na ya pretumi e de aba besom nanom ne omomanfo
we nyina endanche no owura Charles Owusu esanso kasaye e de fa sede nkwantempa hodo a ewo Nkransan North mpeswa ne so enhyeda enkoyi na efi afimpinu ene nan mu wo mo hunu sakraye bia na nsisi bia ewo so
ye na mafidie so e koto sraban through Ministry of Roads say na daroma oba Nkransan North ha ye mobbo megiri se Ghana nyina no kra na bia ye betwa to mensia sabi ekwan aboyen cause baby enam bia kwan no se eye sabi o eye rough road kra na nka ye kwan a yebetimi afa so broni beka say mo trouble kra na nka enye bone
ne kra no ohina odwoman kese opempon dan so abiam enso so e de to Charles Owusu anim se
obey adwempa wo de team je se ne awo nya minipa ho kan je dia je odinku nim dada je ne mehwehwane no kwardi je